first is from our franchise ng Misters of Pilipinas, Nueva Ecija. He is a grand winner of Misters of Pilipinas, Nueva Ecija Regional Contest, Mark Jefferson Biray. And next, from Malabon, Philip Howard Fuertes. From Silang Cavite, Jonathan Gado. From Angeles City, Pampanga, Ayan Abad Santos. Number 5, from Las Piñas, Christian Domdumano. Oh, sorry. Christian Domdumano. And our 6th finalist or official candidate from Zambales, Kurt Daniel Rivera. Next, from Occidental Mindoro, Patrick Reyes. Tondo, Manila, Fort del Rosario. We have Brian Vargas, Quezon Province. John Mikael Yabot, San Antonio, Nueva Ecija. From Cebu Province, Raed Al Segayer. And from Manila, Gestoni Mati. From Laguna, Jose Angelo. From Bulacan, Dre Arias. Catanduanes, Francis Manawat. Migo Santos, Pampanga. And from Cebu City, Gian Antonio Guricelli. Another one from Las Piñas City, Alazer del Rosario. And last, but not the least, we have number from Laguna de Franco. Ladies and gentlemen, our official 20 official candidates so far, and they will be joined by our official candidates from franchises in the Philippines and Filipino communities abroad, together with our possible candidates from the